two favorites. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cute popsicle stick photo puzzle. It is super easy to make and I bet you guys will enjoy making it. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's what you will need for your picture puzzle. Scissors, popsicle sticks, a pencil, a glue stick, Mod Podge, a paintbrush, and your image. To get an image, all I did was found one on Google and printed it out and downsized it, and that's all you have to do. So first you want to begin by cutting out your image that you printed, and make sure you always have adult supervision when working with sharp objects. Then with your image and the popsicle sticks, you want to measure to see how many popsicle sticks you will need for your image. Then you want to take your pencil and lightly mark up where you need to cut the image for each popsicle stick strip. I did mine on the back so it's easier to see, and now you want to cut that out. Then try to line up your pieces where they need to go, and then take your glue stick and glue it on. Okay guys, so once you have them all glued on, you can stop here, but I want to finish it off with a glossy kind of thing, so I'm going to use Mod Podge. So I'm just going to take an extra piece of paper that I had from my printed image, and I'm going to take my Mod Podge and put a little on there, and then I'm going to take my paintbrush and paint on where the image is on each popsicle stick. Then once you apply the Mod Podge, now you just want to let it dry. Okay guys, so I let it dry for a little bit and it's done and it looks amazing. It literally took me under 10 minutes and it looks so cool. I am definitely going to display this in my room as just a picture, but you can definitely do this as a little puzzle thing. It's so easy and fun to set up, and this is actually a really great activity for kids as well. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe down below. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram at favorites.yt. Anyway, I will see you guys all later. Bye!